to the channel, everybody. I'm Babyface P. We're bringing you a new build today. We're going to be starting on AK. I'm going to call it an AK build series because we're going to do each piece step by step for building an AK from a receiver. Actually, I'm sorry, we're not even using a receiver. We're using a flat, and we're going to build using just a basic parts kit that we got. We have a East German parts kit brought to us by Brandon at the AK guy. So Brandon was kind enough to, well, let me purchase it from him. But he sent me out this parts kit, so we're going to be putting it together piece by piece. It's not super difficult if you have the right tools. Luckily, I have most of those around here. So I'll show you how I do it. And there are, when you're doing an AK, you can go either direction. You can get some more tooling, some nicer tooling, or you can always go less tooling and do like a tabletop build. I'll show you how I do it for my personal AKs, how I find it to be the easiest for the tooling I have. And then we can, if anybody has any questions, I can talk to you guys about other tooling options, what you can do. But we have parts kit over here that I'll show off. East German, as you can see, ribbed for somebody's pleasure. All East German parts. It looks like it was never used. But I'll bring the camera in, I'll change the angle so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about, and we'll show what we got and go from there. Alright. Alright, here we go. Here's our full complete parts kit. I feel like I'm on QVC trying to sell something, looking at the camera. This is our parts kit that we got. It's East German. I think it was from 1818. Everything's marked 1985. It's all parts matching. It's pretty cool. This one still has a sticker that says made in Germany, which is pretty neat. This is our entire kit. The only thing that it didn't come with originally was this barrel. This is a R marked barrel, so that makes me think it's Romanian. I believe that's what the R marking is. Either way, good barrel. It's not junk. Chrome line, so it's a solid barrel. Like I said, this parts kit came from the AK guy, so I purchased a kit off of him. We're going to be using AK Builder rivet jig, AK Builder rivets, and we're building from a flat, so I'll show you guys how to build up from a flat. I don't like using fully built receivers. One, because I already have the tooling to punch out the flats, to bend the flats. And two, because I don't want to pay the transfer fee to transfer it through an FFL. So this makes it easy. This is not a firearm. This is just a piece of sheet metal with holes in it and rails. So we'll turn it into a receiver. We will bend it up, weld, spot weld the rails in, heat treat. We won't do a full heat treat on this build. I've had fine luck without doing a full heat treat. My other AKs I've done spot heat treating. So you spot all the pieces that need to be heat treated, all the areas, dip them, and it's worked fine. So we'll probably do that with this one as well. But this is what we got going on. Stay tuned. This is going to come to you in sections. So unlike my last video, I'm not going to be releasing this as one long 30-minute video. This is going to be the intro video, and then we're going to do next video will be folding the receiver. So stay tuned. The receiver fold will be coming to you shortly. All right, remember, if you're new to the channel, like, share, subscribe, do all the same shit that everybody else tells you to do. It's important to give a thumbs up on gun content in general. YouTube hates us. They don't want us on the platform, so tell them that you still are interested in watching this sort of thing. And stay tuned. If I know how to do this correctly, this will just, auto-rotate into the next video, which will be on bending the receiver. So catch that.